Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you followed my journey last year, you'll remember a legendary contender in my garden, a potato I called the Tubernator. We took part in the 2025 challenge, and while it was a blast, it is time to level up. I have just officially entered the hashtag SSPC2026, run by Steve over at Digwell Greenfingers. And look what just arrived in the post. This is it, my official entry. This year, the legend continues. Everyone, meet the Tubernator II. Let's get this open and see what we are working with this year. There he is, a beautiful seed potato provided by the challenge sponsors. He is looking healthy, the eyes are just starting to show, and he is ready for some chitting. For those who don't know, the Single Seed Potato Challenge is all about growing the biggest yield possible from just one single seed potato. Steve at Digwell Greenfingers organizes this every year, and it has become a huge event in the gardening community. The goal is simple: achieve the heaviest total yield or the heaviest single potato. The rules are strict but fair. Grow it outdoors, film the planting, and film the harvest by October 31st. But remember, no revealing the weight until the big finale. Last year was great, but the Tubernator II has big boots to fill. I will be starting him off indoors soon to get those sprouts nice and strong before he hits the soil. I will be posting updates throughout the season, so make sure you subscribe to see if we can beat last year's record. A huge thanks to Steve at Digwell Greenfingers for putting this on again. Go check out his channel. I have linked it in the description below. If you are entering the challenge too, let me know in the comments. Good luck to all the growers. The Tubernator II is officially in the building. Let's get growing.